welcome to my channel, guys. This is Gautam Kumar. Today, I have uh, I have updated some job. Then let's we have a starter. How many job I have today? I have updated you. Before that, please subscribe my channel, like this video, and share this video with your friend. And let's start today. First job is data analyst. This is and the location is Mumbai, Maharashtra, and salary is 4 to 4.5 lakh per year, and job is full time, and shift is day shift, and this is job description, and this and company name is Open Secret. Means this is a startup company, and this is a responsibility you have uh, give, and this is a essential skill you company need, and this is salary, and the next job is is data science and data analyst, Ernakulam and Kerala, from Kerala, and salary is 10 to 15 k per month, and this is for fresher, and time is day shift, and total work 1 year preferred. And and this is the job description and all, and job, and you have and next job from MIS data analyst, and location is Rajasthan, Udaipur. Okay, and salary up to 50k per month, and job type is contractual or temporary, means this is contract based, and shift is weekend availability, morning shift Monday or to Friday, and total work 2 year preferred, and he gives some benefit also, health insurance, and also paid sick time, paid time off, and a provident fund also you have. And this is job description, and benefit of health insurance and all, and third job is third job for manager post, and this is a remote job, and salary is 50 to 55,000 per month, and this is full time job opportunity, and shift schedule is Monday to Friday, and work from home, uh, and and need minimum 3 year of experience he required, and this is a full job description, and work is Monday to Friday, I am said that. And next job from uh, quick, quickly.com, and this is also remote data analyst, and this is he pay 70 to 75,000 per month, and job type is part time, and temporary, and location is remote, and total work is experience required 3 year, uh, and uh, and full job description here, and this is a 30-day project, US based farm, and this is all about that, and how to apply. You have simply click apply now, and you have applied that. And next job for Power BI developer, and salary is 50k per month, and job type is regular and permanent, means permanent job, and shift is day shift, not a night shift, and 50k plus some benefits like provident fund, health insurance, live and something add, and qualification is Power BI 3 year of experience, and preferred master, not UG. Preferred if you are qualified for as a UG, you have also what he prefer PG, means master. And this is your job description that. And he want to record a skill like Power BI, Tableau, and SAP must 2 to 3 year of experience in data specific role.